Good morning students, this is your history lesson. Students, as you know that we have started revision of chapter 1, civilization of the ancient world Mesopotamia. And in this regard we did 3 questions in previous lesson. Today we will read more 3 questions, question number 4, 5 and 6. So we start our lesson. Question number 4. Why did ancient Mesopotamia come to be known as the Fertile Crescent? Students, you know very well that Mesopotamia, which means between 2 rivers. So this was the area that was surrounded by 2 rivers, the Euphrates and the Tigris rivers. And the 2 rivers produced fertile soil and a stable supply of water for irrigation, which enabled the people living there to make farming their livelihood. So, what were the reasons? Why did ancient Mesopotamia come to be known as the Fertile Crescent? The answer is Mesopotamia is known as the Fertile Crescent for the following reasons. Mesopotamia is located in the heart of the Fertile Crescent. The fertile soil was found mainly in Mesopotamia, which scientists believe the agricultural revolution started here. Question number 5. What factors made the Mesopotamian civilization stand out from other civilizations? Students, the modern world is influenced by some great civilizations which existed thousands of years ago and are said to be the foundations of human culture. Civilization began when humans started to build cities, used agriculture to feed the population, domesticated animals, created a writing system, and learned how to make pottery and to use metals to make utensils, tools and weapons. So students, what are the factors that made the Mesopotamian civilization stand out from other civilizations? The answer is the factors that made the Mesopotamian civilization stand out from other civilizations are organization, a strong ruler, united people, common goals, the respect for science and engineering that allowed cities to be built up, communications to be standardized, and knowledge to be widely distributed and stored in libraries. So students, what was the Code of Hammurabi? The answer is the Code of Hammurabi was one of the earliest and most complete written legal codes and was proclaimed by the Babylonian king Hammurabi, who reigned from 1792 to 1750 BC. The Hammurabi Code of Laws, a collection of 282 rules, established standards for commercial interactions and set fines and punishments to meet the requirements of justice. So students, this is your lesson for today. You have to learn these questions by heart. Thank you for listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.